Today we're going to introduce you to the Sailrite round mauls. These mauls come in two sizes, a 1 pound and a 3 pound. These round mauls feature a round poly head that is fastened to a steel base. The weight of the poly head is evenly balanced to help reduce hand fatigue for hours of comfortable stamping and punching. The contoured wooden handle is shaped to fit your hand for a secure, comfortable grip while you work. The round shape of the head offers more surface area compared to a flat mallet. This head shape creates no risk of tool deflection, which makes these mauls a great addition to your workroom. Mauls are used by a variety of DIYers and have several important uses. You can use mauls to punch holes in canvas, leather, sailcloth, awning. They are also used to install grommets, snap fasteners, and other hardware components. Leatherworkers use round mauls when punching and stamping hides. With two sizes to choose from, these items will be a staple in your workshop for years to come. And if you're interested in either, we've linked them both down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And if you want to see more Sailrite exclusive products in action, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss one of our videos.